By the time plants comes out, no epi around because the colonies. So this is another one because in the southern part of Korea they have two cropping system. Okay, so they like to produce seed for fall planting, and also they want to produce seed for fall to spring planting. So they require need for short dormant variety. So that's why Happy and Rose King and Golden King, the three of them are relatively low short dormancy for double cropping at one place. You know what I mean? I plant potato and then I sell big one, smaller I keep, I can plant again in the same area in the fall time. This is we call double cropping system. So for the seed production, because they don't want to buy the seed, they want their own production. So what they do, they nearby seaside, even springtime, seaside, they have a tunnel.
සිංහලෙන් අහන්න දැන් හඳුන්වලා දෙන අලවර්ග තුනම අලවර්ග හතරම ඒකට පළවෙනි සැරේ හදලා දෙවෙනි සැරේට ගන්න බීජ නැවත ගන්න ඕනද ඒ වගේම බීජ ගන්න පුළුවන්කමක් අපිට තියෙනවද කියන එක මම දැනගන්න ඕනේ.
Yeah, he produce their own way. It's up to the government. It's up to it's Koika project. It's part of Koika project. Of course, I donate all the seed to the donation. And this is G0. And this year we're going to have G1. And as I told you, next seasons I will bring another one. And so I'd like to test Yalla seeds, Maha seeds, and all of my 5 varieties. Once they proven to be good, then of course government will provide the seed so you can increase your own way. And then the Koika project, if accepted, then Koika project is one of our role is to the farmers to grow the potato, especially seed production with a more efficient way. And so we will have workshop to especially for like seed production in the field level. So this will come on.
කියලා කියන්නේ අපේ ගවර්න්මන්ට් එකේ තීරණ සහ කොයිනා ප්‍රොජෙක්ට් එකේ තියෙන නෝට් බොහෝ possibly මේක G2 G1 ඒ මට්ටමට ඒ ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැතුව යන්න පුළුවන් මොකද ඔහු ඒව ඩොනේට් දීලා තියෙනවා.